Now let's install the plugin we actually need. It's called Starter Templates, and it's what gives us access to hundreds of professionally designed website templates. In the top left, click Add Plugin, and then search for Starter Templates. When you see it, click Install Now, and then click Activate. Here, click Build with Templates. Now we need to select our page builder. If you don't see Elementor here as an option, let me show you the quick and easy fix. Click Back, and then click Exit to Dashboard. On the left-hand side, hover over Settings, and select General. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a section labeled Starter Templates. If this Disable option is checked, uncheck it so that it looks like mine here, and then click Save Changes. Now you can return to Plugins, find Starter Templates, and click Get Started again. Choose Build with Templates, and now Elementor will show. Once you see it, click it to continue. Elementor is the most popular page builder for WordPress. It's free, it has a simple drag and drop interface, and it makes designing your website really easy without writing any code. Starter Templates lets you build and edit pages using simple drag and drop tools. It gives you many ready-made designs to choose from, and we'll use one that's totally free. Now we'll choose our template. We already chose our theme earlier when we installed Astra. The theme is the foundation. It controls how your website looks, including colors, fonts, and the layout. A template is different. It only controls the layout of one page, like a home page, an about page, or a contact page. Starting with a template means you don't have to build your website from scratch. It'll save you a lot of time, and your site will look more professional even if you've never designed a website before. To find a template, you can browse by the categories here, or you can type in what kind of website you want to build in the search bar. For example, if you want to build a restaurant site, just type restaurant. If you want a portfolio, type portfolio. Some templates are marked as premium, which means they cost money, but there are plenty of free ones to choose from. Scroll through them, find one that you like, and if you click on any template, you'll get a preview of what it looks like, and you can navigate through the pages of the site. Once you have one that you like, you can customize a few things over here on the left before we start building. You can upload your site logo, change the font style, and pick a color palette. If you're not sure yet, you can skip these and change them later. But when you're ready, click Continue. On the next step, the default selections here are okay, and you can continue again. And then here, you can skip and start building. Your website will take a few minutes to build. Once it's done, click View Your Website, and that will open it in a new tab. If you haven't signed up for hosting yet, remember to use the first link in the description to get an extra 10% off your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck with your new site, and thanks for watching.